Hi everyone, welcome to the channel, let's learn. If you are new over here, please subscribe, so that you will learn English with fun and interesting way. Today, we gonna see the story, The Lost Key in the Mysterious Room. This is the story of Lily, a curious and adventurous girl, who finds an old key, while playing in the park. Once upon a time, there was a curious and adventurous girl, named Lily. She loved exploring new places, and discovering hidden treasures. One day, while playing in the park, Lily found an old key, lying on the ground. She picked it up, and examined it closely. It looked like an antique key, and was quite heavy. Lily decided to keep the key, and asked her parents if they knew anything about it. They didn't recognize the key, but suggested that you try to find out where it might belong. Lily began her quest by asking her friends and neighbors if they had seen a lock that might fit the key. But no one had any leads. She even tried searching on the internet for antique locks, but still couldn't find a match. One day, while exploring an old abandoned building, Lily noticed a small locked door that she had never seen before. The door looked old and rusty, and it had a small keyhole that looked like it might fit the key she had found. Lily was excited and nervous at the same time. She inserted the key into the lock, and to her surprise, it turned smoothly. She opened the door, and stepped inside. To her amazement, the room was filled with antique furniture, old paintings, and other rare objects. Lily couldn't believe her luck. She had stumbled upon a hidden treasure trove. She spent hours exploring the room, admiring the beautiful objects, and imagining the stories behind them. When she finally left the room, she was filled with a sense of wonder and excitement. She knew that she had discovered something special, and she couldn't wait to share her adventure with her family and friends. From that day on, Lily continued to explore the world around her, with an open and curious mind, always looking for hidden treasures and new adventures to discover. Lily's journey of exploration, wonder, and excitement, and be inspired to seek out your own hidden treasures in the world around you. This heartwarming tale is perfect for all ages, and reminds us to keep our minds open and our curiosity alive. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video today. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, bye, take care.